It's 11:47 right now. A lot of folks wondering, what the weekend's going to be like.
Yep.
Carson Meredith has your answer.
Kind of a mixed bag, Megan. Get outside today, get outside this evening because the rain moves back in tomorrow afternoon. Speaking of rockets, that is a view of the Space and Rocket Center. If you were watching us earlier this morning around 6:30, we had a big old hawk hanging out at this sky campsite. Well, he's flown away now, and we got a mix of sun and clouds. We close in on the lunch hour on your Friday, and that means the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network is nice and quiet. Yes, those clouds will keep building in as the day goes on, but we stay dry. Temperatures right now in the low 50s. We're heading for the upper 50s this afternoon, and as the sun goes down this evening, we'll fall into the low 50s by about 6 o'clock tonight, and then the upper 40s past 8 or 9 o'clock this evening. Big reason why we're so much cooler today compared to earlier this week. The wind has switched directions, now coming out of the north at around 5 to 10 miles per hour, but still a pretty nice afternoon on the way. Not so much tomorrow afternoon. A very messy forecast for your Saturday and even into Sunday morning too. What we can say with confidence is rain will start tomorrow afternoon, let's say around that 2-3 o'clock time frame. After midnight tomorrow night, there is still a window for the rain to transition to a wintry mix, especially in our higher elevations in northeast Alabama. The million-dollar question with this event is how low will those temperatures go? You notice our forecast lows for the time being tomorrow night are right at or just above freezing. That will obviously work in our favor. Even if we do see a wintry mix tomorrow night, keeping these temperatures just above freezing will help limit accumulations overall, but especially on those roadways. Let's go through future radar. This afternoon is just quiet. Clouds keep on filling in. Maybe a stray shower closer to sunrise tomorrow morning. Nearly all of us, though, stay dry during the morning. But watch what happens around 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Here comes the rain from the south, lifting northward. Some heavier rain possible east of I-65 tomorrow evening. By midnight, it is still all rain across all of North Alabama. Watch what happens closer to sunrise Sunday morning. Here comes that transition to a wintry mix. I will say this particular forecast model is one of the few that is bringing the wintry mix all the way to I-65. The greater area of concern for any kind of wintry weather will be in Jackson, Marshall, and DeKalb counties, and possibly the higher elevations of Madison County, here on Montesano in particular. But again, with temperatures still above freezing and the ground temperatures being warm since we've been in the 60s and 70s all week, no major accumulations and no major impacts are expected. We'll see a good dose of rain, though, especially in our southeastern counties. Half-inch to 1 inch of rain possible for Scottsboro, Guntersville, Fort Payne. The further north and west you are in southern Tennessee, out in the shoals, the lighter amounts of rain we expect. Just a tenth, maybe quarter inch of rain for places like Athens, Moulton, and up in Fayetteville, Tennessee. So a messy start to the weekend. We'll clear things out Sunday, but I want to jump to next Thursday. 6 days away, but we already have a level 2 risk for strong to severe storms. Looks like a very potent system, a strong cold front moving in. Strong to severe storms are possible next Thursday. Too early for specifics at this point, but it's not all that common. We have a severe risk 6 days in advance. We'll have to keep a very close eye on that system next Thursday, as well as the system moving in tomorrow night. A busy 7-day forecast. We'll dry things out Sunday afternoon and Monday. And oh, by the way, Valentine's Day on Tuesday, Megan, it also looks pretty rainy as well.